Are my cheeks getting red? Because it's really hot down here. I recently went on a trip to Toronto and New York City and grabbed some clips. So these are the clips. There's not a ton of my traditional arm's length, hey, here's a funny thing and be awkward about it type of clip, because this lens on this camera isn't very wide. You're actually pretty far away from me right now, so I couldn't do the arm's length stuff. So I need to get a new lens. If any of you can recommend a nice wide prime lens with image stabilization, because I got jitterbugs in my hands, for a Canon EOS mount, I would appreciate that. But anyways, here's the clips. There's some one shot of Toronto, the rest is New York. There's some Hurricane Sandy and Halloween and Phantom of the Opera rehearsal stuff. So I hope you enjoy it.
This is my place. It's pretty sweet. I was in this play and this one. You'd be proud of it.
Yeah, I would be. Different tree.
White shoes? Yep. They're doing the same. Oh.
Good.
Alright, we are crossing.
Too close.
Sorry.
Stay there. Nope. Is that dang green? Stand up.
Hi guys, how are you? But
Good thing is, now it's video.
I want to eat it all. You hate me so much.
I'm so bad at focusing these things. How's the hurricane treating you, buddy? Okay?
Look what I found! Look at the cat dragon!
Teenage dream!
Teenage dream? Is that what we call Tina?
Yeah.
That's what it says. I haven't seen Luke in eons.
10 years?
10 years?
Prop. There it is. I still got some more videos coming related to the film I'm trying to write, the cult film. And I've also got 2 short films that I want to try and make. So potentially lots of looking at me on the internet. So I'll enjoy that. See you next time.